Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. This finished building is beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 Impala SS. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft in there. The aluminum cylinder heads on here. It's real nice blue Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pan for the 64 Impala. You have these real nice Chevrolet valve covers. Polished intake manifold, chrome thermostat housing, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil. You have the small cap distributor, real important on the 64 Impala for firewall clearance right here. Braided PCV ventilation line, PCV valves hooked up, manifold vacuum fittings are hooked up for easy hookups. Proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter installed, chrome dipstick and tube. You have the high flow fuel pump on there. All the fittings are installed. Customer wanted the braided fuel lines. We put all the braided fuel lines. Inline gas filters hooked up, going right up to the carburetor. You have the polished serpentine pulley kit on here. Alternators installed. High flow aluminum water pump. GM power steering pump installed. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belts on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, completely drop-in ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.